This is a 2017 Mini Cooper hatch, 5-door. She's petrol, she's manual. Let me show you around. All good around the front. Clean and tidy, no stone chips that we can see on the bonnet. Pretty 17-inch black alloy wheels. The tread's all good. Clear indicator lenses, black wing mirror covers. As I said, she's 5-door. That's the rear alloy wheel. Coming around the back, she has got rear parking sensors. I'll show you in the boot. It's all clean and tidy. All of her kit for that should be in there is in there. We've checked. That is the rear alloy wheel on the driver's side. Again, 5 doors. I will just show you in this side. There is the extra seat belts, so there's 5 seats, 3 seats across the back, 2 in the front. In here she has done, just going to step in, I need to get the keys out of my pocket, I think. I'll show you. So, 2 remote keys. In the glove box is her full book pack. Coming across, let me just start her up. Here we go. Door open, yeah, I know. Okay, I'll shut it. Makes you happy. So she has done 24,185 miles. Turn that down. You can see on the steering wheel she has got the multifunction controls. So this side here is for your cruise control, and this side here is for your, I don't know if you can see, this side here is for your stereo, etc. Coming across, you can see in here she has got the multimedia, there you can see. She's also got a Bluetooth, radio, settings, vehicle info, mini connected, etc. Coming down, you've got all your heating controls, and there a bit further down you've got your stop start functionality, which is in the middle. Just down here at the back you have got your aux and your USB connection, and if I tilt you this way you can see she's 6 forward speeds and 1 reverse. What else can I tell you? I think I should step out. I'm going to turn her off. That's it, twice to let her go completely to sleep. Here we have her last alloy wheel on the front. Let me show you her from this side. There you go, you can see the whole car from there. Roof is all good, no marks or dings or dents or anything unpleasant up there. So there you have her. She's a 2017 5-door Mini Cooper hatch. Full details will be on our website with her full spec list. There's more than I've just explained to you, but I can't remember everything, it's a long day. Our website is mrsmini.co.uk. And if you'd like to see her in the flesh, give me a call. I'm on my mobile 07540 29 22 22. Thanks for watching.